Hi, it's Vic. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making this cute 3D sea life card. So to start with, I have this card that I've cut out on my silhouette, and this is from Magengo Designs. So the card base comes in two pieces, and it comes with all the score marks and fold marks. So it's pretty easy to put together, but I'm just going to quickly show you how it does go together. So I've scored that piece that's going to be showing, and then at the back it has two slots that will fold into your card to make it stand up. And then I also have three waves that also come with the card, and then they are placed on the card how I've just shown you. And I'm going to be using the octopus stamp set. So to start with, I'm going to colour up my white card. So I've just got some tumbled glass, and I'm using my Time for Tea Designs blender brush. So I'm just applying that. And now I'm going to be using this Create a Smile stencil, and I'm going to go in with Faded Jeans, which is a little bit darker, and I'm going to be using my blender brush again just to gently blend the ink onto the waves. And then I have a little scrap piece of paper, which is that white heart, just so I can place my fingers on both the die cut piece and the stencil without it slipping. But you can secure this down with washi tape if you're more comfortable doing your stencils that way. And then I'm just going to lift the stencil up, and you can see how the stencils worked. I think it gives it a bit more fun and interest to your die cut pieces. So I'm just going to go ahead and do exactly the same thing to my other two pieces of card. And once that's complete, I'm going to go ahead and make my card. So it's already made, but I'm just going to go ahead and this fold along the bottom piece that goes on the bottom base of your card. I'm just applying some PVA glue to this, and then I'm bringing the piece that is the main focal point of your card. I'm doing that first score mark, and I'm just applying that over the one that I've put the PVA glue on, and I'm squeezing this really hard because my cardstock is really heavy. It's 300 GSM, so it's pretty thick. So this is the piece with the two parts that are cut out that you're going to place your card onto to make it stand up. And this folds to fit into a standard size envelope, which I will show you at the end of the video. So now I'm just going to go ahead and place them waves onto my card. So I'm just popping some PVA glue onto that first piece that's right at the bottom, and then I'm going to be doing the same to the piece behind it. And then my third wave I've just adhered straight onto the card, but you can use some 3D foam tape if you want your creatures to be peering up behind the wave. And you can see here that each wave I've stuck down, I'm just squeezing behind the wave just to make sure that my glue is really secure, because I don't want my waves falling off just because my card's so heavy. You can use a lighter card, of course, maybe like 250 GSM would probably be perfect for this. So for my stamped images, I'm going to be using Octopus Love and Whale Be OK stamp set. And then I've gone ahead and from my silhouette, I've just gone and cut out this life ring, which I'm going to be colouring in. And I'm just going to show you how I quickly coloured in the octopus. So I'm using red 81 and red 83 for the main colour, and I wanted to use quite a girly colour because I love making girly cards. So that's why I've gone in with the pink, and I'm going to show you how I shaded him and also how I added a little bit more texture to the octopus. So the red 81 is pretty light, so I've gone in and gone over the shadows with red 83, and then I'm just using a light purple for the little, what are they called on his head? Are they barnacles? I don't know, but whatever they are, they're cute. And then I've gone and blended all my colours together, and now I'm just using a colourless blender just to add some texture to the sides of his, or her face I should say, and to her little legs. And I'm doing the same thing for the blue octopus. I love that starfish on his head, just so sweet, just makes me laugh. For the blush I'm using R20, and then I've got a white gel highlighter pen, so I'm just adding a few dots to their cheeks and to the legs as well. And then I've coloured in the whale with the island on his head. I had so much fun making this card. They're so cute, the images. And then for my life ring, I'm using my Spectrum Noir markers. So I've just used a blue and a red, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this life ring together using some PVA glue. So while I was putting the life ring together, I thought, wouldn't it be fun if one of the octopuses could fit through there? So I'm just going ahead and trimming one out just to see if they will fit. So it wasn't part of my plan, but once I saw it, I thought that would look so cute. So now I'm just going in, and what I'm doing here, I'm just cutting along the legs because I want to have his legs peering over the life ring. So I will go in later on in the video just to tidy it up a little bit more. But I was really happy with how it turns out. I think it looks quite cute sat in the life ring. And now I'm just placing my images on the card, and I just create, so I don't plan. So sometimes I go in and add extra stamps. So I did remember my sentiment. I know I always forget my sentiment. So I've got this Create a Smile stamp set, and this is the Glowing Seaside stamp set. So I've got the sentiment to brighten up your day, and then I'm just going to add a couple more little stamps for the card just to make sure that there's enough images on there. And the little strip that you saw, this also comes with the card too. So I think Raina, that owns Magengo, she's done such a fantastic job designing these cards. They're so fun. I will leave Raina's shop listed down below in the description, so you can head over to her shop and buy some bits from her if you're interested. She has so many sweet designs. So now I'm just getting that octopus into the life ring. It just cracks me up every time I see him. I think he's so sweet. So I've just used PVA glue to adhere all my images down. Haven't used any foam tape this time. And once that one is placed down, I'm going to show you how the card looks, and then I'm also going to show you how it folds up into your envelope. So you just take that card out from the notches, and then it will fold down lovely. And here is my envelope, so you will see how lovely it fits into the envelope. And as the whale has an island on his head, I've placed him a bit too far up, so I'm just putting another fold in across the envelope, but it still fits completely fine. And when you take your card out, you just take that back piece and place it into them notches, and your card will stand up. So I hope you found the video fun, and I will leave everything that I use listed down below. And if you like the video, let me know, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.